Hi there, hi everyone, welcome back with the second Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper of Monday, January the 25th, 2021. Yes, the second Sudoku I will solve is a 4-star Sudoku. I will only do 4 of the Sudokus in this additional, and this will be a number 2220. Yes, all right. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers. Let me do this. 2 plus 3 is 5, 6 plus 3 is 9, plus 3 is equal to 12, plus 3 is 15, plus 3 is 18, plus 6, 18 plus 6, 24. Cannot believe this. 24. I expected 25. 3, 3, 3 is 9, plus 3 is 12. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times 3 is 24. Yes, the publisher has published this 4-star Sudoku with 24 printed digits. All right. Okay. So he has changed his mind. All right. So let's get started. Let me see. I see here 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for a 1 should be there. 1 in the third column, 1 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in the last row, 1 in that row. So the row between, the only place for 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. You see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So the row below, the third row, only 3 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, here 1, no 1 there. The only place for a 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 1. All right. 4 missing numbers now in this row. 1 of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5 in this big square. So no 5 in those 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here or could be there. Well, we have a 5 over here. So no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column. 5 in that column. So the middle column, the column between, the only place for a 5 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 5. How about the 9 in this column? 9 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for the 9 should be there. Then 4 missing numbers in this column. 1 of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this big square. So no 7 in those 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. Then 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 2 is missing, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. And look, we have a 6 here, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. Only place for the 6 should be there. 2 and the 5 are missing now. 2 and the 5, we see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 5 goes and there. All right. Alright. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the row below, so in the last row, the only 2 places for the 5. Could be here, could be there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. Then 3 in this row, 3 in the row below, so in the last row, the only place for a 3 should be there. These 3 missing numbers are the 2, the 8, and the 9. 289, 289. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 289, that means the other 2 numbers should be the 4 and the 6. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 numbers, 4 and the 6. It's a pair. The other pair in this big square should be the 9 and the 2. 9 and the 2. Cannot fill this yet, need to wait. How about these 3 numbers? 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing. 8 is missing. And the 6 is missing. 486. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 486. Yes. This is a complicated move. Look, in this row, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, so no 9 there. So the 9 could be here, could be there. We have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. We have a 9 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for the 9 could be here, could be there. That means in this column, we have 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for 9 should be there. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Okay. 8, 8. A lot of pairs, a lot of pairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 8, 4, 8, and 7. Alright, we have a 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 7 could be here, could be there. Okay. We have a pair again. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so in the row above, only 2 places for the 5. Could be here, could be there. Okay. Then there's 4 missing numbers now. In this row, one of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6 in this big square, so no 6s in those 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. How about these 3 numbers? 4 is missing, 6 is missing. How about those 2 numbers? The middle column, sorry, in the second column, the 4 is missing and the 3 is missing. 4 and a 3. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for a pair. The next pair, because the first pair is the 9 and the 5, the second pair is the 3 and the 6. 3 and the 6. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 6 goes there. Now we have a 3. No. Now we have a 6 here, so this cannot be 6 anymore. This box should be the 6. And this should be a 4. Yeah. Okay. 3, 3, 3. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. There are 3, no 3 in that box. 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 3 place for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. Only place for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 3. Okay. Yes, in this big square we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in those 2 boxes. Here 4, no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here or could be there. So we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes. In the last column we have a 4 in that column. So the column between, only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And I've eliminated the 9. So the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the number 8. 8 is missing, alright. So we have an 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for an 8 should be there. Okay. And now, 2, 7, 4. We have a pair. No, we have not a pair. How about these 3 missing numbers? 6 is missing, 2 is missing. And the 7 is missing. Yes, we see here 7, no 7 there. So the 7 could be here or could be there. Okay, how about those 2 numbers in this big square? The 2 and the 9 are missing. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 2 and the 9. 2, 9, 7. Okay. 7. 7, 7, 7. 7. 2, 8, 6. 2, 8, 6, 4, 8. 6, 4, 8. No. Alright. 4. 8. Yeah. We have a 9 in the third row, 9 in the first row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. Alright, now we have a 9 there, so this can't be 9 anymore. This should be a 9, and this should be a 2. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and a 6. Okay. 7, 2. 2 numbers left in the middle row. Those numbers are the 7 and the 2. 7 and the 2. And look, we have a 2 here. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Now I have a 7 here. I've eliminated the 7 there. So the 7 goes here. And I've eliminated the 6. So the 6 goes there. 1 number left in this last column for the number 5. 1 number left in this column for the number 7. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the number 6 and 2. 6 and 2. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 2 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So on the third row, the only place for a 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 4 and the 8, 4 and the 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1 number left in the first row for the number 7. Yes, 2 numbers left in this row. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5. We have a 4 here. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this can't be 5 anymore. This should be the 5. And this should be a 9. Now we have a 9 here, so this can't be 9 anymore. This should be a 9. And this should be a 2. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 2 and 8. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Yes, quicker than the previous Sudoku, because this one was a little bit hard one, yes. Need to find the opening. This was the opening, number 8. Yes. But I'm very pleased with the time, 60 minutes, and I like this Sudoku with 4 stars. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe, and hit the bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later with the last 2 Sudokus. I will do a binary and a tectonic one. So see you later. Bye bye for now.